Welcome! In front of me I have a MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to track the sleep data on this watch. Before we start, if you want to track the sleep data on this watch, of course you will need to wear the watch during the sleep for a couple of days so it can gather the data. And once you wear it for a couple of days during the sleep, you can check the data on the watch or on the phone. To check it on the watch, press the upper button to wake up the screen. Then you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the widgets, and one of the widgets should be the sleep widget. And as you can see here, we have the sleep duration, light sleep and deep sleep. You can also check this by pressing the upper button on the home screen, then scrolling down, finding the tick sleep, tapping on it to open the sleep widget. And here we have the data. If you want to see more accurate data for the sleep, you can open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So basically your watch needs to be paired with a phone. I'm gonna bring my phone right here and move the watch to the side, bring the phone, unlock the screen on it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And once you grab the phone, you can open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Once you open the app, you will see the home screen. And on the home screen, you will see the list of data, and we have the sleep data. And you can tap on it to open the detailed information, and we can check the data for specific days, week, and month. I don't have any data because I didn't wear the watch during the sleep. But if you wear the watch during the sleep, you will gather some data right here. Right now something is loading, but I'm not sure what. Let's wake up the screen on the watch and see if something is gonna happen. Oh, it just tells you no regular sleep records, as you can see. Okay, and once you're done checking the information, you can close the app. And that's how you track the sleep or sleep data on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.